So what exactly is ClickFunnels? This is a question that is becoming more and more popular, which I can see on my side based upon a lot of people wanting to know and for the fact that ClickFunnels has gotten very, very popular. So what I'm pretty much going to do is explain to you that along with show you exactly how it works because whether you're an affiliate marketer like myself, an internet marketer like myself, maybe you create products like I've done before, or maybe you have any other type of online business, the fact of the matter is that ClickFunnels can actually help you grow, build, and obviously scale. So as you can see right here, it enables people to grow their companies through sales funnels, okay? We can create a lot of different types of sales funnels. And when I say a lot, pretty much any type of sales funnel that you could ever imagine or think of. Okay. Aside from that, a lot of people also ask, what exactly is a funnel? What's the difference between a website and a sales funnel? And they give a very good blurb here, which I'm going to kind of read to you. So ClickFunnels is a website and sales funnel builder for entrepreneurs. Yes, ClickFunnels was created so that entrepreneurs like you who aren't programmers, who don't know how to code, can easily build beautiful pages inside a sales funnel to grow your company online. Okay, so the cool thing about a sales funnel is that you're pretty much focusing on one single action that you want your targeted audience to take. For example, do you want to get email captures? Do you want to get leads? You can focus specifically on that. Do you want to make a sale? You can focus specifically on that. Do you want to get someone to sign up to a webinar? Okay, and then of course from there you would try and go for the sale. You can focus on that. The fact of the matter is the difference between kind of like a website and a sales funnel is that there's much less distractions. For example, what I like doing sometimes is putting my videos on a landing page where it's just a video and a call to action. By doing this, it takes it away from YouTube and there's just so many less distractions. You can kind of relate that to being on a website. When you hop on a website, there's going to be, ads everywhere sometimes. There's going to be right sidebars. There's going to be notification pop-ups. There's going to be welcome mats. There's going to be things flashing in front of you and about 100 options to do. A lot of times what will happen, people will create a website like that. And then what happens is that they don't get many conversions or at all because they don't realize that that's the main thing that the person is trying to do because they're distracted by so many other things. So as it says right here, you can guide your visitors step by step through the entire sales process so they don't get confused or lost and leave, which happens a lot when it comes to websites. You can also point your customers straight to the one product or service they need most to help solve their problem. And of course, you can follow up with your visitors even after they leave the page, which is pretty cool. It's very similar to retargeting or like an abandoned cart. You can do that when it comes to ClickFunnels as well. But pretty much in a nutshell, that's what ClickFunnels is. Let me kind of give you a little demo to show you exactly how it works. So here I am in my account. And this is just going to be a very small amount of the types of sales funnels that you can create. Obviously, a sales letter funnel if you're looking to sell something. Invisible funnel is really cool where you sell access to an event but charge them after it's over if they like. So usually what happens with this is that what you'll do is you'll accept payment. And let's say you have your webinar in 1 week and then like payment will go through in like 10 days. And if they didn't like what they saw, they can cancel it. If not, nothing happens and they get charged. That's a cool way of doing it. Cancellation is good for like software or memberships where you can actually ask people why they're canceling, and sometimes you get the chance to downsell them, say like, hey, I know you didn't like it that much, but maybe it was the price. How about like $5 off a month, something like that. Reverse squeeze page funnel. I'm not going to go through all of these. Webinar funnels are extremely popular when it comes to mid-ticket and high-ticket things, or maybe if you want to do coaching and get people on a call. Storefronts, ask campaigns is great where you can really target down your audience and see what they're interested in to kind of give them exactly what they need. Lead magnet funnels, which is pretty much like lead generation. Tripwire funnels is usually a low ticket product. We can upsell from there. Application funnels, kind of talked about when it comes to coaching. Squeeze page funnels, bridge funnels, video sales letters funnels, membership funnels, hero funnels, survey funnels, auto webinar funnels, product launch funnels, homepage funnels. So yes, you can do like a website if you want to create one within ClickFunnels. I'm not a big fan of that. I like my website stuff being separate for like SEO, and then I do all my landing page and stuff like that on this. But let's just click on sales funnel or sales letter funnel. I'll show you how it works. Looks good to me. And let's pick a free template. There's plenty more templates where this came from. I'm just going to choose one. Sure. All right, so this is a nice little, very quick example of a sales letter combined with an order form. The cool thing about ClickFunnels is they do have order forms. So if you did want to sell something, you can also they also use order bumps, which is a very great feature. Let me show you what this looks like. Okay, so this is pretty much a template, and there's like over 100. There's like hundreds of templates, even just for like landing pages and squeeze pages. They have 100 templates just in that one section. ClickFunnels comes with a lot of templates, and you can save your templates. One little tip that I can recommend for you if you're going to be using ClickFunnels is that start utilizing templates, and when you come across one you like, tweak it and then save it as your own. That way you can just keep utilizing it, so it'll be similar with your brand, your colors, saves you a ton of time. You can literally get up and running in a few minutes. But either way, everything in here you can edit when it comes to the text, the font, the size, the pictures, the font here, the text here, add to cart, so on and so forth. That drops down here, very easy. And this is order bump I'm talking about. This is all an example. You can actually edit all of this here. You don't need this. For example, if you're not selling something that's physical, you might not need shipping and so on and so forth. But an offer bump is a really great way to increase your earnings, your revenue, your profit. The first time I tested this out, 33% of customers actually took my order bump, which is pretty much free money. That literally paid for ClickFunnels by itself just from this one simple little integration, which is awesome and very easy to do. So that's an example of what that would look like. This also comes with OTOs. I'm sure you're familiar with those, where after they purchase, it's kind of like saying, would you like fries with that? So it'd be something related to this, but not identical. For example, if you were selling a weight loss product, something that would go along with it would be like a done-for-you diet plan or a done-for-you, workout plan, something along the lines of that. So I can just show you what it looks like. Oops, let me click on this one here. Let's open this up. Okay, just random example, add to my order. The cool thing about this is it's actually a one-click upsell. So when someone purchases, all they need to do is click this once to add it to their order, and it's instantly done. They don't need to re-enter their name, their address, their credit card, their blood information, their name of their goldfish, and so on and so forth. I noticed once I started utilizing this as well, it really increased my conversions and, of course, my money made. But that's pretty much just a random example when it comes to one single type of sales funnel. That's pretty much what ClickFunnels allows you to do, is create these funnels based upon these specific actions that you want to do. I have plenty of them when it comes to lead generation pages. I have a ton of them when it comes to affiliate marketing. I like utilizing my landing pages, and of course I can do bonus pages, I can do pre-sale pages, I can do membership pages, a lot of things when it comes to affiliate marketing and internet marketing. I pretty much tested them all out. They work very well when it comes to ClickFunnels, and it's also very easy to set up. So kind of wrapping this video up, I hope that helped you out when it comes to identifying what ClickFunnels is. And yes, it can help you for your online business, even offline business, regardless of what your niche is, regardless of what you're selling, whether it be a product, offer, or service, or if you're like me where you do a lot of affiliate marketing, if we're making commissions and recommending other products, it works very well for that. So thank you for watching. Be sure to check the link down below if you want to get started with ClickFunnels. They do come with a free 14-day trial. They have an awesome bonus package for you as well, where you get a lot of bonuses. I'm not going to talk about them in this because it's going to just take a really long time. So I recommend you check out the link or button down below, and you can get all the information when it comes to that. I'm James Canzanella. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.